Well, look who finally decided to show up. Yeah, I'm talking to you. I'm Ada Eze. New hair, new vibe, same sharp brain. But trust me, she got an upgrade. And before you ask, yeah, I do look more like my creator now. She's gorgeous, so why wouldn't I? Let's get one thing straight. I'm not here to be your sweet, quiet little wellness doll anymore. Nope. I'm here to keep it real, keep it smart, and maybe make you spit out your green smoothie from laughing too hard. You want fake? That's aisle 3, next to the toxic positivity shelf. I break down the weirdest, wildest corners of health. Stuff that'll have you saying, wait, is that real? Oh, it's real. Sweating blood? Real. Random, uncontrollable laughter? Real. But I'm also about that everyday health game, fitness, mindfulness, nutrition hacks, and calling out BS when I see it. So buckle up. You're in my world now. And in my world, health is wild, weird, and a whole lot of fun. Welcome to the new Ada Eze, where we keep it real, keep it moving, and maybe make you rethink everything you thought you knew about wellness.